Hello. On this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set tabs in Microsoft Word using the ruler and the dialog box. Tabs are a paragraph formatting feature used to align text. It adds structure to your document by allowing you to separate information or to organize information. You can set the tabs to the right or to the left or even both sides of your document. Tab stops at every 0.5 inch in the ruler when you press the tab key in the keyboard. So here I'm going to press the tab key once, so it will stop at 0.5 inch. When I press the tab key once again, it will stop at 1 inch. And then I will press the tab key for the third time. It will stop at 1.5 inch. So we have here in the document, I have here 3 examples. And then it has I specified here the types of tab and the position of tab stops. I have here a text. I already typed the text and I press tab once after each column. If you want to know whether or not you press the tab, you can select the paragraph mark to display the paragraphs. So on this line, I press the tab key 3 times. On this portion, I press the tab key once. This is the symbol for tab key, the arrow. So I press the tab key once here. On this part, I press the tab key twice. If you want to hide the paragraph mark, you click again the paragraph mark button. Okay, so for example 1, let's select the text in example 1 and then using the ruler, set the left tab at 2 inch. So in the tab selector located at the left side of the ruler, I have here the left tab. So I will set the left tab at 2 inch. The ruler, I'm going to click, okay, and then you can see now the left tab at 2 inch. And then the next tab is decimal tab at 4.5 inch. So I'm going to change and select the tab to decimal tab. So this is the decimal tab and set it at 4.5 inch. And then the last one is the bar tab, set at 1.5 inch and 4 inch. So I'm going to set 2 bar tabs, one at 1.5 inch and at 4 inch. So change the tab. So that is the bar tab. I'm going to set it at 1.5 inch and at 4 inch. You can adjust the tabs. Let's say for example, this bar tab, I can adjust by dragging it along the ruler, okay, and your text will also follow. Okay. In example 2, we're going to use here the tab dialog box. I'm going to select the text and then click the dialog box launcher. Click the tabs button and then in the tab stop position, I'm going to type 3 inch. So I'm going to type 3 and then the type and the type of tab is center tab. So I'm going to select here the center tab and then click the set button. Next, right tab at 6 inch. So I'm going to type 6 inch, and then select right tab, and then click set button, and then click OK. So I have already organized my text using the dialog box. For example 3, we have the same type of tabs and position, tab stop position, but this time we're going to use here a dot leader. So again, select the text, click the dialog box launcher, click the tabs button. So in the tab stop position, type 3, select center, and then select 2. This is the dot leader, and then click set. Next, type 6, and then select right, and then select 2 for the dot leader, and then click set, click OK, and then you have now set the tabs for example 3. I hope you learned something on this video. Please wait for my next video. Thank you for watching.